So the file you have here is Openstego. Now, the plan or the project, the plan is you want to hide data in a picture. Say if you write picture, right? So we'll go to, you see the different options that we have here. We have hide data, extract, generate signature, embed watermark, verify watermark. So the one we want to use is hide data. It's already on hide data, right? It's on hide data. So now cover file. Look at this cover file. They said select multiple files or provide a wildcard to embed some message in multiple fields. So we come here, we're going to choose the picture because that cover file is the image file. That's like a cover file where you want to hide the text. Okay, so let me go to my pictures. Where do pictures stay? Desktop, no, not desktop. This PC. Then I go to pictures. I just want to select any random picture. So I use, let me use, should I use fine? No, let me use fine. Let me use, please give me 1 minute. Let me check the content of this PIC. If it's something that is worth sharing out. PIC, what is PIC? Okay, good, PIC, I've seen PIC. So yeah, we can use PIC. So we proceed, we use PIC. I click on open. I'm not sure we saw that. Please, did you confirm if you saw the window? There was a window. When I selected these 3 dots, a window came up. Did you see that? Anybody can just confirm it, please.
Yes.
Did you see it come again?
No.
Yeah, okay.
No, we didn't see that window.
Okay. Even if you did not see it, it's fine. Just know that upon clicking these 3 dots, a window will come out, just like you want to upload a file ordinarily on the internet. Yeah. So the next thing is select we have to select the message file. Under this message file, that file is going to contain the message that we want to hide. So we can just open our notepad and let's say create a file. Let's open notepad. Okay. I'm going to open notepad in the background. Notepad. Give me 1 minute. Notepad. Okay, so I know what to do. I'm going to be sharing my whole screen. Good. Now, this is Notepad. This is Notepad. Now, let's write for the secret message or what we want to write is don't let them know that we are attacking on the 25th of April. So it's like we are fighting a war or something. So let's save it. Save it with, we're going to save it under documents. Other documents. So we'll call it attack message. That's okay, sorry, the assignment says hide your name, right? Okay, good. Just know that for the sake of your own assignment, what you are going to do is, instead of writing this message, don't let them know that we are attacking on the 25th. Just write my name is whatever your name is. Me, I'm just using this one as an example. So we'll save it with attack message.txt. Save. I've already saved it. I saved it under what? Under what? Okay, under documents. So we come back here. So we can as well close this one. It's not really important. So we've already saved it. We come here under our message file. That's what we want to hide. We go to documents. We go to documents. We scroll. We look for that attack message. You can see it here, attack message. You click on open. Open. So it's already there. Now, output Stego file. Look at this output Stego file. What they are asking you, or what is they're just going to specify the output name and where that Stego this thing is going to be at. So I come here. That's where you want it to be at. It's quite simple. We can put it in desktop so that we can know. So that we can easily find it. Do you get? Everybody look, this picture here, that's actually the peak. That's the peak. So we'll put it here. So what do we call it? Let's call it let's call it big man. Big man. No. Big pig. Sorry, no. Big man. Big man. So we click on, no, let's use Biggie. Biggie. So the name of that picture is Biggie. Open. So yes, using AES-128 algorithm. Yes, we just use that one to secure the hidden file. So what's our password? Let's use our password as Bonnie, BONI. All of them in lowercase. Confirm, BONI. So what do? Hide data. Message embedded into one cover file, skipped 05. Okay, now we are done with that, right? Good. As we are done with that, we can just close every other thing that we are seeing here. We're going to close every other thing that we are seeing here. We will now go and open that file. We would open the file. Okay, so what's the name of the file again? Biggie, right? Look at it. If I open Biggie, what can you see? Can someone do? Okay, wait, she's going to open now. Can someone tell me what you can see on the screen? Just tell me what you can see on the screen. Anybody?
The picture, like picture. It's a picture.
It's a picture of a machine part, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Good. But do you agree with me that inside this picture there is like a message embedded in it?
Yes.
100%.
Good. Now this one I want to do now is not part of the assignment too. But let's just quickly do it. Imagine I send this message to you, this particular picture to you. I can send it to 100 persons. They will not know that something is actually there. But Steganography will be able to hide content inside or hide data inside a particular data. Inside a particular data. It could be picture, it could be whatever. So now let's close this. Let's now go and repeat the process. Let's close this. Let's repeat the process. Now, can someone tell me, well, which feature am I going to choose? Is it hide? Is it extract? Is it generate signature, embed, verify? Which feature am I going to choose?
Extract.
Thank you. So I go to extract. I go to say, okay, input stego file. That's what's that file that we're talking about. That file now. Sure, what's the name of the file? That's that file that contains hidden message there. Biggie, right? We click on open.
Biggie.
Yeah, output folder for message file. Output folder means where do we want to put this? Where do we want to put this file? So let's choose any folder, any of my folders. I'm going to use this IMA UK. So I'll click on open. Yeah. So it's asking me for the password. The password. Can someone remind me what the password is? What I use as the password? Because without the password, we cannot generate anything. What's the password?
Bonnie.
Yes, Bonnie, BONI. So come here, BONI. So we click on extract data. Message file successfully extracted from the cover, blah, blah. Okay, so now let's go to that. I'm sure we know this is the folder. This is IMA UK. This is the folder. We go there. We go to IMA. Then, can you see? Please forget about all these ones that you are seeing here. They were already there before. Can you see this attack message? Now let's check out the attack message. Let's check out what's there. Can you see? Don't let them know that we are attacking on the 25th of April. It's so simple. Just so simple. I didn't explain it in class. Yes, quite all right. All you need to do is what? All you need to do is just make like your little research. You might not use Openstego the way I use Openstego. You might use another tool. It's fine. The most important thing is what? You get it right. Yeah, that's that about that. So that's that about the number 2 assignment. Now moving straight down to that's the other aspect of it. That's solving the cryptography assignment. Solving the cryptography assignment. Okay. Yes, please.
I noticed something about the picture.
Yeah, please. What was that?
The biggie it come with dot BMP.
Okay.
Is it because you have a hiding message? That's why it come with dot BMP.
Yes, that's normally if it's to be the JPEG. It's like
Yes,
normal
sir.
standard normal standard file extension for just normal images here. But you see this .bmp, it's just like that. BMP means bitmap. Bitmap is like it's for all these graphics image format that are used to store, let me say, bitmap digital images. BMP files
Yes,
can
sir.
contain like pixel data. Mostly, when you compress something, when you compress something, they
Yes,
use
sir.
BMP can be associated with it. Do you understand? And they
Yeah,
sometimes
I
use it for
understand.
graphics, for icons and the likes of that. So that's why that's why it's showing that .bmp there. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So let's quickly run because by 7 o'clock we are going to finish. We should finish this session. So let's quickly run straight to others, which is let me end this.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Hello, sir.